This is a guide on replacing a screen on a Lenovo ThinkPad T470s. For the replacement process, we'll need the following tools: a plastic pick and a Phillips screwdriver. To begin, turn off the laptop and disconnect the power cord. The bezel is held in place with tabs and adhesive along the inner perimeter. Start releasing the bezel by moving the plastic pick along the inner edge. Then using fingers, start unsnapping the tabs. Remove the bezel. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove 4 screws in the corners. Place the screen on the keyboard. The video cable is a pretty tight fit in the cable guide, so you might need to loosen it a bit. Using a plastic pick and fingers, peel off the clear tape securing the video connector. Open the connector's bracket. Disconnect the video cable. Discard the old screen. Place the new screen on the keyboard. Since the video cable is short, move the screen as close as possible to the back cover. You might also need to release the cable from its guide a little bit. Reconnect the video cable. Close the connector's bracket. Secure it with clear tape. Caution: it is very important not to force any of the connectors. Make sure not to twist or slant the connector when plugging it in. Lift the screen up, and now we can test the new screen. Turn the laptop on. The screen is working, and we can finish the installation process. Replace the 4 Phillips screws in the corners. Replace the bezel. Press firmly in the corners, then go around the perimeter, snapping the tabs back in place. Close the laptop and make sure that the bezel is snapped in near the hinge covers. Turn the laptop on, and we're done.